Yo, what's good? I'm here back again. Got some jump starts to unpack, so let's get into it. First one. Let's see. I changed from the top-down view to this view because I think this one's much better for y'all to see. And I learned my lesson. Now I know you can open it from here. What do we got? Okay. Oh, +1. Interesting. Very interesting. Got like 2 dragons. Or hydras, or whatchamacallit. Just give me a sec here. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so, first off, we got Rishkar, Pima Renegade. Legendary creature, when it enters the field, put 1/1 counters on each of up to 2 target creatures. Okay, okay. Proliferate. Oh, Invigorating Surge. Another counter. Oh, this is a counter thing. Wildwood Scourge. Wow. I know someone who might need these cards. Inspiring Call. Nessian Hornbeetle. Truffle Snout. Hunter's Edge. Pride Malkin. Hey, look at that kitty cat. Arbor Armament. Dang, I can't speak. Fertilid. Scrounging Bandar. Cat Monkey. What an abomination. Thriving Grove. Okay. And the land. Wow, look at that art. My goodness. It's pretty sick. Got the land cards. I think I like the Jumpstart land cards. Well, the forest in particular. That looks nice. Alright, so that's +1 right there. Set that aside. On to the next pack. Modern Horizons 2 pre-release came out today. I got myself one of those pre-release packs, so stay tuned for that in another video. Well, first of all, it's Legion, so I'm thinking there might be a lot of humans in here. I guess I did not learn my lesson. Oh, never mind. Huh. Oh, there's the thing. Okie dokie. Legion. Glorious Anthem. Oh, I have this in foil, but decent card. It's a good enchantment. Gives your guys 1/1. Sea Striker. Human Soldier. Faith's Fetters. Very cool. Release the Dogs. Okay. Basri's Solidarity. Valorous Steed. Daybreak Charger. Makeshift Battalion. Whoa, skipped a call right there. Staunch Shieldmate. Gilded with gold from a dragon's trove it is, and etched with the image of a dragon I slew to take it. What a badass. Inspiring Captain. Legion's Judgment. Thriving Heath. Raise the Alarm. And the planes. Wow, look at that army. Holy moly. These are some nice planes. Oh, okay. Next one. Hoping to pull a mythic, as always. Who doesn't? one's a tough one. There we go. And we got Legion again. So I guess expect the same packs or cards as the last Legion pack. Reopen. Okay, let's see. Is that focusing? Can't tell. Maybe not. So, same thing, Glorious Anthem. Seed Striker, Faith's Fetters, Release the Dogs. Okay, so this is a bunch of the same stuff. Like identical. Fortify. Is that better? There we go. Legion's Judgment. Okay, a little different, but mostly the same. Mostly the same. Alright, let's put that in the Legion pile then. Not gonna lie, that was a little bit disappointing, but at least we got those nice lands. So at least I'm happy about that. And before Legion Part 3, let's see. It is dinosaurs. Okay, okay. Wonder if anyone got that new mythic dinosaur from Modern Horizons 2. Thrasta. Trample over planeswalkers. Alright. Oh, mythic! Selvala, Heart of the Wilds. Whenever another creature enters the battlefield, its controller may draw a card if its power is greater than each other creature's power. Wow. Okay, so that is our first mythic. Drover of the Mighty. Savage Stomp. Thunder and Spineback. Garruk's Uprising. Colossal Dreadmaw. Commune with Dinosaurs. Crushing Canopy. New Horizons. Oraska Fieldback. Thriving Grove. Honorary Dilphosaur. Drowsing Pteranodon in the forest. Oh, there's a dinosaur in this forest. That's pretty cool, actually. Check these out, the forest. I really like this one. Reminds me of when you go camping. But, yeah. So not bad, not bad. We got a mythic. Put the mythics over here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to build anything with it, though. But at least I have it in the collection. Okay, dinosaurs again. Wow. Will we get the same thing? Another of the same mythic? Who knows? We'll see. Boosters is a gamble. But I like to gamble. And, oh, it is not. Primal Might. Okay. Oh, another rare. Rampaging Brontodon? Alrighty. Savage Stomp. So I guess if it's the same title card, there's a chance to get something different. Going those dinosaur lands again. Interesting though, interesting. Alright, 3 more packs to go. Last time I bought Jumpstart packs, I think I pulled, what was it called? Rise of the Dark Realms or something? It's that card that Post Malone used in that Commander video to bring everything back from the graveyard. Even his opponent's stuff. That was pretty cool. Oh, goblins. Nice. Goblins. Open this. Muxus. Dang, I don't know how to pronounce that. And it's not focusing again. I seem to be having a focusing issue. There we go. Battle Rattle Shaman. Beetleback Chief. Goblin Commando. Burn Bright. Surprisingly, that Muxus, I think it's called. Wow, look at that. That card's worth quite a decent chunk of money, and it's only a rare, so not too shabby actually. Alright, two more. It's, oh, different one. Archaeology. I've never seen this one before. Alright. It's Sharding Sphinx. Okay. Artifact creature. Just let it focus again. And it doesn't want to, but whatever. Vedelkin Archmage. Another rare. Buried Ruin. Hedron Archive. So I'm just trying to get it to focus, but this webcam does not want to cooperate. Juggernaut. Meteor Golem. Thirst for Knowledge. Ether Spellbomb. Hey. Ancestral Statue. Archaeomender. Oh, another one. Dupes. Prismite. Lightning Core Excavator and a Thriving Isle. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's like Knights of the Round Table. Yeah, for real, this camera... Oh, never mind. I was going to say, this camera has a hard time focusing. Is it me? Or the camera? Or both? Who knows? Ooh, okay. And the last one. Last Jumpstart. Osta. So we've opened 8 packs. 1 mythic. Oh, sorry, 7 packs. This is the 8th one. 1 mythic. That is quite unlucky, I guess. Wizards. Okay. Wonder what we're getting here. Oh, Talran Sky Summoner. Just what I've always wanted. Psych. Oh, a bunch of merfolks in here. Capture Sphere. Opt. Yeah, so unfortunately 1 mythic, but at least we got a lot of cool lands. So we got that for us. Alright, that'll do it for this video. See you guys at the Modern Horizons 2 pre-release pack video.